that green suitcase. No, that green. I just thought they were just gonna bring it, ship it back to you. They probably put some stuff in there, huh? They're not have, bro. What are we, the middle person? I'm just saying, if they put stuff in there and they can't take it, they say, wait, you got the right. Yeah, just I'm just hesitation, bro. I'm like, yeah, they didn't, the airport stopped us and searched us, and we couldn't take it. Doesn't sound so good. All the people and all that. The thing is, if we were already at the airport, it was nothing we could really have done after. That is true. They should pay us for this. I don't know why my dad was asking me what should do. I just told him why the should do it. I was like, oh, since you already been down there. I think you already said yes to it. Yeah, say that though. Yeah, but you know how he is, dude. He's gonna say something you already know something for sure. If I know we were gonna go, man, I thought we were gonna go literally eating after this. I mean, shopping. So I should have got on the stretch a little bit.
Zaraz jechamy sobie.
Eh?
Iinz.
Eh?
Wat zeg ik daar niet?
Ja, het. Almost finished.
Must be the tallest one in there. Maybe them shit cool Chicago too, dude. I look like LeBron out there, dude. All the kids come watch. That's cool. You should ask him stop there for 2 seconds. Too angry. Angry, dude. Rich one, dude. Like Naruto, dude. I gotta be happy. Yes, I told him when I was too angry in football, I missed my tackles. I'm just trying to just smash like everybody. Yeah. And I be missing because I'm pushing this out there. That's hard. That's how you want to know? Exactly. Dude, he knew before this. I was just this over there. Good, so I need to go buy, bro. Yo, how much did you give him? Amahera yanangahe kuja mandazi. Amahera mandazi yanangahe.
Bibiri naman na ta.
2,500. 6 or 5? Huh? 5. It's low. It's lower than the 10,000. No, I'm saying it was 5 of them. Yeah, 5 of us. Yeah. mới đi đâu cho hả?
Thầy hãy đi à.
Yes.
Oh, dạ.